We're going to be making some more slime today, of course. The next slime we are going to make is glow-in-the-dark butter slime. The ingredients you are going to need: white Elmer's glue, some glow-in-the-dark clay, measuring spoon, a bowl to put the glue in, this to mix with, borax solution. Okay, so we are going to pour the glue in the bowl. So after you do that, all you're gonna do is just now put the solution in there, the borax solution. I know it sounds weird, not any water. It's weird and confusing, but trust me, the results will be great. Add little by little amounts of the borax solution as always. Never pour in all of it or you'll ruin the slime. Okay, so I like this. Oh, it's nice. Look at it. I'm gonna name it Gerald. It's flowy. How do I explain it? It's everything that slime is supposed to be. I'm going to add in my glow-in-the-dark clay. I'm going to add little by little amounts of the clay. Break it into 4 pieces. The slime, it turned out amazing. It's nice, it's white, it stretches still, even though I put the clay in it. And it's like butter slime. Stretch it out, it'll stay in place, it wouldn't be like regular slime. Okay guys, we're about to go see if this butter slime can glow in the dark.